Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable annoying iPhone dial tone sound in second. So when I dial any number, enable to dial sound. So you just easily turn off this option. Open settings, showing it to sound and haptics, showing it to more option. Just look here, ringtone, text, tone, and showing here more option, but not showing it to exactly turn off dial tone option. So when you make sure to turn on silent mode, when you enable to silent mode, then it's disable this. Okay, otherwise not possible. So that's it.